Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to talk to you about a 9 by 16 video. So when people talk about a 9 by 16 video, they're essentially talking about how it's portrait like this, right? So it's like horizontal, vertical, or whatever. It's like up and down type of thing. So basically each phone, each canvas is like this. So if we do 1 by 1, it's going to look like that, right? And that's how like the normal Instagram looks. So the video plays like this. You know what I'm saying? It plays exactly like that. But if you do 9 by 16, it's more in front of your face. The video is kind of more, there, which is cool. Which it seems like people like a lot more now. 16 by 9, of course, is like that. Kind of, it's definitely good for widescreen. They even have like the IMAX on, which is kind of wild, but devices ain't ready for that. But 9 by 16 is the short, is like today's standard of TikTok and everything else. So 9 by 16 is the way to do it. You can make any video 9 by 16. You can always cut it to make things look kind of different as well. So for instance, let's see here. Hold on 1 second here. Okay, so I have an example video here. Let's say I wanted to make this 9 by 16. Well, it's already 9 by 16 here, but it's just like, I don't know. I guess it's just like this. If you want to make 9 by 16 videos with, actually, this is actually a terrible. Okay, so I have a perfect example now. So I have a line here, right? So this is what the normal video is, and you want to make it 9 by 16. So if you wanted to make a 9 by 16 video look pleasing from what it looks like this, you can actually just do the zoom in method that we were talking about before, and you could do it like that if you like to. You know what I'm saying? That's a little bit better here. Or, you know what I'm saying, you can go back to the video here and kind of zoom it out, put that right there, kind of centerpiece it, put it in a center fold, and just off the strength of that, scrolling on your timeline and stuff, this is a better, viewing point than when it was fully back, and then you can also put things in the background here, which is pretty neat. So if you did want to put things in the background while it does it, zooming back in. Oh wait, sorry. What we could do is we're gonna get this quick editing skill in here. So we're gonna split. We're gonna filter in. We're gonna where is it here? Hold on. Picture in picture. We'll do material. Right. Shoot. Why not? Is that the Powerpuff Girls? Okay. We'll do this. We'll put this front to back here. There we go. We'll move this front to back. Oh, how do you... From here. Where is front to back? Why is it hidden? Crop, split. Okay, hold up. Let me see. From here, drag. They on some drawing stuff. Let me see. Pre-cut, reverse. Oh, okay, how about this? We'll replace it with the same image. Okay, how about we do, okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, I'm such a nut. I'm gonna crop it. That's why. Okay, we could definitely fast forward this. There we go. Definitely better. Let's see. From here, we're going to split that. Zoom in here. Delete this jaw here. Oh. Um, picture in picture. There we go. This whole time that's what I was trying to do. I'm geeking. All right, but yeah, so that's how you that's how you wait. What was this video again? Hold up. 9 by 16. Oh, 9 by 16. Yeah, that is the whole thing of it. Okay, and that's why they do 9 by 16 videos because it looks easier on the eyes. Anyway, yes, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want more information on InShot, definitely let me know. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.